Okay, hi guys. So today we're going to change normal fluorescent connection to an LED connection, because this one I've been hesitating to change for the longest time. Now I don't have a choice because the shop doesn't have any more stock for fluorescent tubes. So I took out this connection and this was going to happen. I'm going to show you. So the tools that we're going to have is just a normal screwdriver, some electrical tape, side captors, and the new LED tube. And here is going to be the connection. Original is going to be the starter here, then the ballast, and then the two ends. So I'm going to use back the same fitting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to make a connection from the line going to one end, and then the neutral going to another end. Okay, then basically that's it. The LED fitting will be, the LED tube will be working. Okay, so original, this one, this one wire that goes straight to the starter. No, this one wire goes straight to the other end, then goes to the starter. Starter goes all the way to the other end, then from that end go back to the ballast, which is connected to the line circuit. So what's going to happen, I'm going to put this line circuit straight to that one. I'm going to cut this one, and basically that's it. It's going to work. Later I'll show you after I finish. So the first step, I isolated the starter part. I cut the wires just in case somebody plugs in a starter next time. Next, I'm going to work on the ballast part. I'm just going to change this wire, put it inside the other side of the terminal block, so it's going to be shorted with the line circuit. Okay, so now it's like this before. Okay, this is the after. Just now it couldn't fit the terminal block, so I had to just wire them together. So this is going to be the final connection. So as you can see, this one line goes straight to the other end, and there's not going to be any connection from this starter side, and this other line is going to the other end. Okay, so time to test. Okay, that's it, and it's done. You can cover it up. So that's how you want to convert an old connection of a fluorescent lighting fitting to an LED light fitting. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So this is a tube that we tried to replace it with, and this is it just now, working without the starter and without any connection to the ballast. Okay, ballast free. So way to go, LED.